Times. Yay! One bubble. Can we get a bigger bubble?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Kayla's first bubble on Uncle Guy's phone. You ready?
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
Take your time. Take your time, baby.
I will.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 10? Here it comes. She's getting ready. Gonna be the... Hey, you're eating your hair. Does it taste good? You gonna try again? Hey, who are you? Can you blow bubbles? No? Yeah? Are you gonna do it?
Oh, there,
There
there,
it
there,
comes.
there, get it.
Yay!
Oh, did you get it? Wonderful.
Are you gonna blow a bubble?
Good.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, well, where do you wash them at?
Are you gonna blow a
Let
bubble?
me see.
Yay, baby! Ah,
Let me see.
you're funny.